What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls, flakes, even candies sometime. We shoot them over the top to create new interesting color combinations, and then you guys get to rate them 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. Today, I've got 2 Rustoleum colors in front of me. That means we're going to be two-toning this fender behind me with gloss black and satin lagoon, a pretty cool blue-green color. And what kind of color shift, flake, pearl, candy could we be throwing over top? Well, Eye Candy Pigments sent me out some Origami color shift, guys. It's a white particle-based color shift. It's kind of like a sky blue color. From looking at the pigment, I can't tell what it shifts to, but it's a safe bet to shoot it over black, and that way we'll really find out. And over the satin lagoon, well, it's a brighter color, so I'm hoping to really make that contrast. But I'm feeling blue today, so I've picked all kinds of different blues. So that's what we're doing today, guys. I got two-tone this fender behind me real quick, and then we'll get into shooting some Origami color shift by Eye Candy Pigments. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got my 2 Rustoleum colors laid down, so you know what time it is. It's time for a little bit of pearl. I got my Finish 1 clear coat here today. It is 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator, and yeah, Origami color shift. This is an interesting one. I don't really see the color shift in it unless it's just a darker blue to a lighter blue maybe, but it is white particle, which really intrigued me. So I'm really interested in it. What I got here is a little sample bag. It's only a 1 gram bag. I did 5 ounces total into the mix. 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of hardener, that's 5 ounces. And I'm just gonna kind of spritz some in here and just to get a good effect. I don't really know as far as like how much to put in it. You know, this is just a sample spray out, but regardless, yeah, pretty interesting. It's kind of like an ice blue, but regardless, guys, you know what I always do. I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Origami before I even start mixing. See how it looks kind of like an ice blue? Well, let's get to stirring. Now, this is definitely going to be very much like a ghost blue of some sort. Now, what color shifting properties it could possibly have, I have no idea. But it does look really cool in the mix. It's pretty vivid looking compared to some of the other white particle pearls in the mix. But especially with blue. For some reason, blue just does not show up good, especially in the mix. And regardless, I'm excited to see what this does. So let's load up the old V4 gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got some of my Origami color shift by Eye Candy Pigments loaded up in my old V4 gun. 1.4 tip, I shoot at 28 PSI wide open trigger. If you decide you want to replicate my settings, feel free to. I'm going to do a light coat on this first, make sure we don't have any ratchets, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get a good effect. And then we'll put some spotlight on it, maybe take it out in the sun and see what we got. So I'm going to put my mask on, let's get to spraying. guys, so this is the spray out for today. Origami Colorshift by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Satin Lagoon and Gloss Black. Now, I did have a little bit of a mishap. This is probably the second time this has happened. I took the fender off of the stand and moving it around, try to get different camera angles, and the thing fell right out of my hands, old butterfingers. But it happens. I'm a guy doing it out of his garage. I just buy this stuff at random and try to shoot out different color combinations so you guys can see different things, and maybe, you know, you want to use it for your next project. And hey, I'm taking all the cost and everything so you guys don't have to. And that's what the artworks in a whole. And stuff like this does happen. Like I said, I think this is the second time I've dropped one trying to move stuff around to get good footage. It is what it is. But regardless, guys, you saw the footage, rate it. Let me know what you thought of it. 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for the colors. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And I'm an affiliate with Eye Candy Pigments, so I can get you guys a small discount. Links will be in below. Just use WAW Shop at checkout, and you'll get a discount. It'll go to help the channel, and it's a win-win for everybody. This finish one clear works great with Rustoleum and pearls and all this other type stuff. Has a great finish. If you haven't seen my shop truck build, go check that out. It turned out great too. And that'll be in the links below as well. Click As Seen on YouTube. That takes you to my Amazon store where you can purchase clear coat and any other things you need to get going on your next paint job there, from paint guns to tape to everything, guys. And if you made this far in the video today, you like what I'm doing, especially when I don't drop the fender, please hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. I'm all the time doing different crazy new spray outs and trying new things, and you just never know what you'll get with Whitley Autoworks. You know, you might find a crazy cool combination for your next paint job that nobody else has. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching today. Hopefully I don't drop the next spray out. But that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm John from Whitley Autoworks. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.